Come with me for a quick walk-around tour on this 1978 TollyCraft 30-foot sedan. We're starting off port bow and coming down along the sides. Her gel coat's in very good condition for her age. She could use a little buff and a wax, but she shows well, and there's no signs of spider cracking or blisters at all. Coming down along the side, we see we've got holders for our lines right here. And here at the transom, we see we have an extended swim platform, a boarding ladder, and a barbecue. Let's go aboard. One thing of note on this TollyCraft is this extra wide walk around, which makes bow access extremely easy, and we have grab rails all the way. Our cockpit here gives us about 4 feet of space, room for a couple chairs, but the party place is right up on top. And once up here, we see this is where our entertainment center is. Immediately to the right, we have a table with seating. We've got 2 sets of back-to-back lounge chairs which open and lay flat. And here we have our captain's seat right here. We've got a Venturi windscreen and a full Bimini. Here at the helm, we see our shifters right here. We've got our stainless steel ship's wheel and throttles here. Of note, check out these gauges. They're not original. They've been updated. And then all of our switches are right here, easily protected. VHF radio right in front of us. We also have lots of storage up under the cowl. This is going to give us a view facing aft. This deck is wide open and lots of room. There's your $1 million view right there. Here we are back down in the cockpit. Of note is this extra large window here, and we also have a window in the door. Let's go inside. Immediately upon entering, we notice a few features. We've got a nice teak and holly floor, oversized windows, which are nice and dry, by the way. Nice little cabinet right here. This starboard sleeper sofa opens up into a couch for more guests. And then to port, we have a booth-style dinette that'll seat 4 comfortably. Headroom in the cabin is over 6 feet, and engine access is through the deck through these compartments. Moving forward to port, we've got a beautiful galley, lots of counter space, lots of windows. The whole vessel is bright. Unique feature, we have a 3-burner gas stove and oven, pressurized water, cabinet storage below. And then we have the TV and microwave right there. Everything you see in the video is included in the boat. Coming over to starboard side, we see we have an extra large refrigerator right there. This unit here is an air conditioning unit, big enough to cool the whole vessel, and it's vented out through a plexiglass window. Here's our lower helm station right here. Now these gauges all look original. Of course, they've been inside. We're showing about 170 hours. That's most likely since the rebuild. And then right here, tucked away, we have our electrical power panel right there. Pulling back, we have a private forward cabin. Just close the door. Down a few steps into the master suite. As we enter, we see we've got built-in cabinet with room for lots of storage. There's drawers and a hanging locker right there. This section here, you probably have about 6 feet of head space. Here's our V berth, and then our head right here. We have the pull-out shower, drain in the floor, and an electric head right there. This vessel has aged extremely well. Her 350 GM engines have been recently rebuilt, less than 200 hours on them. Direct drive. The boat is neat, clean, odor-free. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.